If anyone is missing या किसी को कुछ समझा नहीं है, we have a Q&A session towards the end. Can I get okay from you people if you have specialized doubts? If you want my one-on-one attention, we're going to discuss. I'm going to unmute few people. We are going to have a chat as well. Awesome. This is a unique workshop. It's one of its kind. Trust me. Now, let's go to the next part. Guys. How many people want to grow their business? Or as a top executive like CEO or something like that, grow your sales, grow your revenues of any company or working out there? How many people wants to do that? I'm going to do it live, by the way. I want to grow as a freelancer. I want to grow as a business owner, as a working professional. Got it. I have Naveen, I have Sri, I have Shurya Kanta, I have Anmol, I have Sri Mohan as a business. What it takes to grow your business? Can you tell me in the Zoom chat? Think on it and tell me. What is that single thing which can help you grow your business? Leads, team, contacts. How many people agree contacts? How many people agree on the statement leads and contacts? Can I get me in the Zoom chat? Yes, me. Guys, now I want a volunteer here. Can anyone share their LinkedIn ID? Where your contact details are not visible, but I will get it using AI. And it's all legal. Don't worry. Murali can share it. Anyone, Anup Reddy, anyone can share the LinkedIn URL in the Zoom chat, please. I will open one and then we'll do a live case study here. So I have someone called as Rutuja. I have Abhishek. So we'll do it for two people. I think, let me just see if we have got the right thing. We have a person here, Abhishek. We have one person as Rutuja. I'm closing the Zoom chat. Please wait. So we have Rutuja and we have Abhishek. So now guys, let's say I want to see the contact info. First of all, I cannot see her contact info, Rutuja ka. I cannot see email ID. I cannot see her phone number. But let's say she's a social media consultant. She's a UGC creator. I love to work with UGC people because I run ads and I always require ads. So let's say I want to grow my business. I want this person contact details. How do I get it? Now it's not 100% short way, but it works 99% of time, which is an extension which is called Signal Hire. Hardik, what is Signal Hire? So basically, see, understand one thing in your head. There is zero thing in this world which is free of cost. There is nothing in this world which comes for free of cost. Get this straight in your head. If you're using LinkedIn, you're thinking you're using it for free of cost. So sorry to say you are the product. So when you sign up with your data, you're allowing LinkedIn to share it with your data and there is nothing illegal about it. Same goes with WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, any other platform out there. Now Signal Hire is an extension which you can add it. I will just show you. See this, I've added here. Once I add this, I will get this pop-up. If I click on this pop-up, it will tell me, do you want to reveal the contacts of this person? It can either give you email ID, it can either give you a phone number, or it can either give you both. Okay? Now see this, I'm going to click on revealed. The contacts will be searched in the database, which is connected to LinkedIn. And I have one email ID, which is rutuja.b1998@gmail.com. I just want Rutuja to respond in the Zoom chat. Is it correct? Yes or no in the Zoom chat. And then we'll do it one more time for Abhishek. Is that a yes in the Zoom chat, Rutuja? Now, okay, I think so. Let's make it interactive. Rutuja, can I unmute you? You just have to say yes or no. I'm just giving you a permission to talk. Can you unmute it? Is it right? Yes or no, Rutuja, ma'am?
Yes.
How is it? How is the experience of this AI tool workshop so far?
It's very nice. I didn't expect this right now.
Take it. Chalo. Thank you so much, Rutuja. Thank you for unmuting yourself. Thank you. Guys, can you send me your reactions in the Zoom chat? How you're feeling right now? Let me know in the Zoom chat. Great, crazy, excited, awesome. Damn, bro, that's so cool. Now, guys, wait. I'm going to close the Zoom chat. I think there's some confusion. Nishikant is saying it's only for premium members. This is where you get wrong. I'm not a premium member. You can check my LinkedIn profile. I don't have any premium. It's an extension. These are the power of tools, guys. Understand, everyone is dependent on tools. Do you think you can live without this tool? Do you think you can live without WhatsApp? Do you think you can live without the tools that you're using in your job, Excel, PowerPoint, email? We as humans, at the core of it, we are dependent on softwares, we are dependent on tools. Let me show you one more mind-blowing example. Abhishek is there. He has done a lot many things. He's from Noida, Uttar Pradesh. He's working in HCL. Let's say I want to make a connection with him. I can send a connect request, but that's 99 people are doing. I want to send him a cold email or a cold message. I want to crack a deal. I want to grow my business, right? I will come here. I'll come here and I will click on reveal the contacts. And we might get names, we might get email address, we might even get, oh, we have a lot of information here. So Abhishek bhai, are you there on this call? Can you raise your hand so I can make you unmute? Let me see, search his name, Abhishek. Abhishek, yes, I'm allowing you to talk. What's your details? Let me know. Is it any of the details correct?
Yeah, it's true. Correct.
It's correct. Oh my God. Are you feeling mind blown right now?
Yeah.
Thank you for volunteering, buddy. I hope you're enjoying this class. It's some unique class I've created. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Chalo. Crazy. Guys, how many people are feeling crazy? All the business owners, all the top executives out here. See, this is corporate number, his personal email address, corporate email address, his personal phone number. Everything is just a one click away. It's like, oh my God. Amazing. No need to take premium. No need to take premium. You just have to be part of a community where you can have such hacks. And that's like I'm building a community out here. Crazy. The chat is going bonkers. What is the name of this tool? This is called Signal Hire. Everyone write it down somewhere. I will just write it in the Zoom chat. It's Signal Hire. Signal Hire. Okay, Signal Hire, or my team will post it in the Zoom chat. No worries. After some time, focus on the tools now. Now I'm going to close the Zoom chat. Again, I'm going to close the Zoom chat. So far, guys, so far we have discussed a lot more tools. Now let's go further. Image generation for free. Guys, I don't know why there are so many people out there getting scared. Guys, I will show you something. See this. I will show you my testimonials. 61-year-old, 60-year-old. This is my expertise. 65-year-old. I am helping these people not just learn AI. Getting salary I can increment using AI. See this 40% salary hike. How many people are here about 30, 40 plus? Can I get me in the Zoom chat? I won't read your names, no worries. I just want to see how many people are not feeling confident with AI. I'm your buddy. I'm your guy. I can see 62. I can see 56, 45, 70, 43 years old, 75, 51, 50, 59, 60 plus, 59, 64, 40 plus, 50 plus. Just see this, guys. Just see this, see this, see this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you. I'm closing the Zoom chat. See this, guys. And by the way, if anyone just thinking, do we have that level of crowd sitting here? Guys, the people who are super energetic, and that's the specialized thing about my workshop. See this, guys. International audience, senior audience, 43, 48, 46, 49, all coming on 7:32 p.m. live. Now just see this. I'm going to show you a tool. I'm going to show you a tool which is called, just a sec, I will just hide it out. Just a sec. It's called Gemini. Now the good news, the most amazing news out here is it's free for all of us. Hardik, how? You need some hacks. I will show you how to get it. You can get ChatGPT for free. You can get Google Gemini Pro subscription for free. You can get Perpetuity Pro subscription for free. And that's what I'm doing. And I'm helping people out there. Now I'm going to click on create image. Let's say we want to create some image. Let's say I'm making a PPT, or let's say, let's talk about this person. I forgot the name of that person. I think it was Rajesh or Rakesh, who is a CFO, Chief Financial Officer. He is 60-year-old. He wants to create a banner. Let's say there is some financial freedom event going in his company, which he wants to tell everyone about. You just have to come on this platform. Don't even write anything. It's Google, which is there with all of us. Huh? Select create image, select mic, use mic, and just see this. I am a CFO of a company. We are conducting an event for our employees where we are going to educate them how to use AI in your financial freedom. Considering all the details, create a poster which can help people understand what is the event all about. In venue, write ABC. For date and timing, write XYZ for now. And give me a super duper attractive, amazing, high quality poster right now. Now see this. Completely live. All of us, check your watches, check your timing in India and Mumbai, or the people who are outside India, no worries. In India, it's 7:35 IST. In a second, I'm going to download this. All the senior executives, can I get letter C from you people? Hardik, why see this? This is a poster this Ramesh or Rakesh person I've created as a CFO. No need to call someone. No need to call your assistant also. No need to call marketing guy, photo poster guy, this guy, that girl. Not required. See this. Unlock your financial freedom, AI for employees. Mastering AI for personal finance and investment. Guys, see this. See the poster. Hardik, educate AI algorithms, empower smart investing, excel wealth growth. Venue, ABC, date, XYZ, time XYZ. You could have mentioned today's date or time or whenever the schedule is for. See this. Innovate Finance Corporation. Hardik, can we change the name of it? I'm working in Tata, Google, Amazon. Yeah, you can. Can I get a letter C in the Zoom chat? Have you got that confidence as a person about 30, 40? Itna hard nahi hai. You do not even have to type, buddy. The only thing lacking is a community like mine where I can guide you, handhold you, pamper you to learn all of this at a super basic skills. Can I get letter C? Can I get a chat is open, by the way? Can I get letter C from everyone? The chat is going crazy. Oh my God. Yes, CC in the Zoom chat. Have you got that confidence? It's not that hard. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. We are going to go and do something more crazy. How many people here knows how to design a website? Can I get yes or no in the Zoom chat? Thank you, Prashant. Thank you. No, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, no, no, no. Retired, okay, no, 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 yes, no, no, no. Okay. Guys, this is a question to people who have said yes. Can you tell me in the Zoom chat how much time? So, by the way, this is my learning website. I will just log it out quickly. How much time will it take for you to create this basic website? Write me a timestamp in the Zoom chat. The people know how to create this. Can I get the timestamps in the Zoom chat? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 2 minutes, almost a week, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 30 minutes for landing page. All the people who know, please drop me your suggestions in the Zoom chat, please. See this 15, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 days. Bapre, that's a lot of time that you're going to take. So we have a different level of crowd here, right from 5 minutes to 30 minutes as well. Now, guys, and we have someone, Dubey, who's 1 minute, under 3 minutes. Chalo, awesome. You people are awesome. I'm going to close the Zoom chat. Just see this. I'm going to come on Claude AI. I'm going to open a new chat. Okay, let me just go to my chats and copy the previous prompt, which I will give it to you people as well. No worries. See this. This is the prompt we are going to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a simple prompt. Convert this design into React component using Tailwind CSS. Hardik, is it a paid plan? Can we all see it's written clearly free plan? Hai? What I will do is, by the way, this is a website for just for my inner circle students who are closely learning AI from me. See this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a snapshot. And just I'm going to paste the snapshot there. Now, no one will ask me how to take a snapshot or a screenshot. Please Google it. As I've said, I'm not here to teach you things which are available on Google, right? And now I'm going to click on enter. Now, just see how much time we will take. I'm completely live. It's 7:39 p.m. We have started with the example. Let's see how much time will it take for us to create a website which is just identical website that we have given as a reference, as an image material. We can all see this is an image which I've taken a snapshot right now in front of you. And now, guys, it's writing some codes. It's doing something, right? Now see this. Can you see this? It has created one artifact and it is like, let me fix removing the form element and using event handlers. Guys, what is the time? 39. You can check your watches. I don't know how many people would be able to see it. 7:39 still. Only logo is not proper. Name is sorted. See, this name is as it is. Welcome back. Welcome back. Enter your credentials to access your workshop. Then everything is username, email address, password, remember me, login button, lost your password, everything. Hardik, can I put it something here? See this. You can put something here as well. You can write the password. It will be visible to you as well. Can you see this? Our micro thing, our micro landing page agent is this. Done. People have said 4 days, 15 minutes. I think only one person, Dubey, and 2-3 people have said right. 1 or 2 minutes. Lagta hai. If you know coding, Hardik, do you know coding? Here is the mind blowing fact. I don't know coding. But I know the skill of AI where I can make AI tools to make websites, games, whatnot. Can I get crazy in the Zoom chat? The people who don't know coding, you have an unfair advantage to grow in your career like anything. Crazy. Perfect. I'm in. How many people are absolutely loving this class? Am I teaching you practical stuff? The same thing which you encounter in your job. I'm not teaching you how to create music with AI because that's something you probably are not ever going to do in your job. Yep. Yes. Loving the class. Thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Perfect. Boom. Unexpected. Chalo. Loving to do. So I'm seeing you since 3 years. Shravan Kumar, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you. I love this. You're simply awesome. Rupa, thank you. Loving the class. Heaven, loving, excitement. And by the way, guys, I just want to show you the chat box was is flooded by your comments. Love you all. Love you all. So sweet of you. See this, guys. All lovely people, all the lovely gents and ladies in the house. Shana, then there is Prashant, then there is Heaven. Pravan Kumar is writing Heaven. Dr. Santosh is there. See this. It's so versatile. Doctors are also there on this class. So trust me, you're going to get mind-boggling things out of this class. Now, guys, how many people would be like, guys, have you ever created a software? Can I get yes or no in the Zoom chat? Have you ever created a software? Yes, no, never. Thank you, Meenakshi. Thank you, Meenakshi. Perfect. Will with the help of technical people, okay. Guys, write impossible in the Zoom chat if you think this is impossible. Guys, what if on this class live, what if I show you a complete software created by AI under 15 minutes? Do you think it's possible or impossible? A software completely created by AI, that too live on this call. Not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Now I think it's possible with you. I'm sure it is possible with you. If you're there, everything is possible. Thank you, buddy. Guys, how many of us, how many people ever felt that Hardik, I'm a job professional. I have some salary. I have some expense. I need to build my expense tracker. Is that a yes? How many people feel that we always require an expense tracker, right? Some sort of that where I can put my income, expense, and it's just available for me. No one else can check my details and whatnot, right? Highly required, Shilpi. Today you are going to get it. Guys, I'm going to close the Zoom chat. See this. The demand is huge. The demand is huge. Let's say, see this. I'm going to do this for all these people here who are requiring it. See this. We have Shilpi, we have Karvi, we have Bindra, we have Omkar, John, so many people, right? Now see the process. Now it will take 15 minutes. So we have to create it and let it go and then we'll move to the next example. Okay? For this will require Perpetuity Pro. Hardik, how do we get Pro for free, buddy? Then if you're not still using it, I feel very sorry. And I will tell you, samne se, please join some AI learning community like mine. So towards the end, I will give you an opportunity to join my AI community. Trust me, it's super affordable, super cheap. and you learn such high quality stuff in there. Now just see this. This requires two things. This requires ChatGPT and it requires Perpetuity Pro. Hardik, why? I will show you everything. Just hold your horses. ChatGPT create a super detailed prompt where I have to create a application which is a daily expense tracker where I can put all my necessary incomes and expenses. Now you have to write a prompt in a way where I have to put that prompt in an AI tool and make sure the AI tools goes through all the good daily expense trackers out there, learn from them what are the most useful features out there, and create one for me which will be just for me. And everything should be in INR, Indian rupees. It should be not there in dollars. Okay. Create a detailed prompt for this, which I will simply copy paste in that tool. Guys, we have officially started at 7:45. Trust me, you're going to go bonkers. See this. First, I will get again ChatGPT Pro is available to everyone for free of cost. I hope you know that. So I think I've added here prompt, and here we go, guys. I'm using the ChatGPT Pro and it's all available to us. I think it has gone or not. Waiting for the reply. Chalo, let me put it again. I will put it a fresh message here. Let's see how it goes. See this. It's thinking. It's going to give us some answers, which we are going to take it and put it here. Hardik, why? Because now, guys, everyone can create micro softwares. Write it down somewhere, guys, in your notebooks. Micro softwares is the next big industry. We all have seen internet, right? We all have seen Geo, right? We all have seen social media boom, right? We have all seen real estate boom. Yes. We all have seen Bitcoin. We all have missed everything. I urge you, I request you, don't miss this. The opportunity which can make you millions and millions of dollars. I'm not kidding. Just see this. Yahan pe you can select lab where you can create projects from scratch. Hardik, how? Let me show you. See this. It has thought for some 16 seconds. I don't know why ChatGPT is misbehaving today or what's the case. Let me see. It's thought for 16 seconds, but where is the reply, bro? Where is the reply? I don't know what's the issue with ChatGPT. Okay, we have got it here. See this. Build me a personalized daily tracker, INR only objectives. This all things we don't have to write it, guys. We are living in an era. If anyone is telling you you need to learn prompt engineering, the person is right. But trust me, nowadays, if you want to write most of the most detailed prompts, you have to use it ChatGPT. Now see this. I'm going to paste the entire prompt here. And I just simply click on enter. Now see this. It will show us a time. Hardik, what the hell is happening on our screens? Now, guys, you are witnessing the future. Trust me, you're witnessing the future. You are building your own application under 20 minutes. See this. It's a robot. I'm not even touching. Hardik, what it's going to do? See this, guys. It's going through a website just like a human being. It's going through different websites, understanding different things, gathering things. See, this is, oh my God, it's just going to take 6 minutes. So what? We have started. 47 who I just, oh my God, it's going crazy. See this, guys. Going through SaaS models, best practices, how to identify, how to fix. And what I'm doing, I'm just chatting with you people. we might just have some chai or coffee, guys. What do you think? Or we might just do party out there, go for a movie, and the AI is doing end-to-end work. And I know you might be thinking, Hardik, is it reliable? Can we trust it? Can we use it? What about security? We'll talk about everything. Guys, I've been teaching AI for last 4 years. People got to know about AI in 23. I've been doing this from 2021 end. So trust me, I know what I'm doing. See this. It's writing Python code for us. It's creating zip files which are required to run an application, virtual application. It's doing everything for us. And what we are doing? We're just chatting. We might be just, I will open the chat box in a minute and we might have random discussions on different things. And this is what it's already doing for us. So we will have to wait for 6 minutes. What if I solve your another problem in 6 minutes? This is one of the pain point. Like I would like to say this as a pain point for every professional out there. So we are yet to discuss this. Next problem, kitne log ko I want to check that. Drop PPT. If that's your headache, I'm pretty much sure the people like Hina, Shilpi, who are top executives out there, they are like dealing with PPTs every day and it's a pain in your job, right? Can I get PPT in the Zoom chat? How many people are able to relate to it? Hardik, I do late sittings. I make so good PPTs. Then also my boss rejects it. I'm not getting that wow impression from my colleagues, from my bosses. मैं पक चुका हूँ. Couldn't agree more. Chalo, let's do this. Hina, give me a topic and I deliver you the PPT in next 3 minutes. Any topic, whatever you like, from wherever you like, any topic in any outside world, internal world, kuch bhi. Give me in the chat. I make it in 3 minutes. And be specific with your topic. Shilpi Kumar, thank you, but I'm going to show you crazy things about Gamma. Yes, we are going to use Gamma, but I'm going to show you the things in Gamma which your eyes won't believe. Chalo, I'm waiting for the topic. I think how to get jobs in current situation. Prashant Bhai will come to that. Handling customer grievances in service industry. So guys, see this. I'm not even kidding. I'm getting such detailed questions from my students here. See this. I will just show it to you quickly. Here we go. See this. I've got many things. All the people. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All the people. But we have Hina. Handling customer grievances. So I'm just going to close the chat box. Love you all. Thank you. I will take your questions next time. All the people telling me needy, Santosh. I'm getting your replies. No, I'm not ignoring anyone. See this. I'm going to use Gamma to a level where your eyes will pop out. Again, a free tool. It has certain limitations. I will discuss about the same. Don't worry. But see this. Now there are 3 options. We'll talk about them later. I will go with the first option where I'm just like, let's say I'm employed to Hina. I'm his junior. Okay, I'm her junior. Okay. She has given me a topic. I will be like, Hina ma'am, 7:51 हुआ है. Give me 2 minutes. I will click here. I will write the topic, handling customer grievances in service industry. 1 click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's count 10 as well. 10 seconds and your content is ready, Hina. You can alter it, you can customize it, you can go through it once if you would like to go through it. Next thing, let's say Hina is, she is a top executive, right? I am presenting this to Hina. So I don't want to bore her. I want my slides to be very attractive. At the same time, it should not be verbose slide. Hardik, what do you mean by verbose? Too text heavy. Until unless you are doing a finance presentation or annual report, वहां पे चलता है. But until and if that's not the case, you have to go with minimal. Now we are doing this for the, let's say, top executives. I have to be very much sure about my color tone. Or if you're like Hardik, I cannot go with such color tones. I have to go with something which is in-built company, custom brand colors. See this. Add build one Tata consultancy services ka brand color as well. You can do that as well. So all this is for a very detailed learning if you join my inner class. But now I'm just showing you what is the potential of it. See this. I will go with certain, let's say a subtle colors. So it's good as well, right? I'll select the theme. I'll make AI videos, AI photos, and now I'm going to click on generate. Now see the magic. And guys, I'm going to read your minds. I know what our problems are going in your head. We'll discuss that. Before even opening the chat box, I will discuss that. Take it, chill, relax. Now just see this. See my hand? I might be just having a word with Hina only, and at the background, the PPT is getting ready. Can you believe that? Hardik, what about image? Is there a copyright issue? The answer is no. There is no copyright issue. There is no plagiarism issue. If you deeply understand the technology of generative intelligence, you will automatically get the confidence there is zero plagiarism in this industry. There is zero copyright if you know how to tackle that. Now let's discuss this. See this. Hardik, where are these images coming from? See this. This is all AI generated. And you know what? Hina is the owner of this. Like the person who is creating this. Okay. Now can you see this? Handling customer grievances in a service industry, turning complaints into royalty. Why customer complaints are the greatest asset. 91% are silent departures, 10x revenue growth. Ye wo sab hai. Now I will read your minds. Hardik, this is awesome. Lovely. But now Hina will be like, Hardik, don't you know in our company, we only use PowerPoint. No other tools are allowed. I will be like, Hina ji, I know it. And here is a secret hack. You can click on 3 dots. You can click on export and you can click on export as PowerPoint file. What will happen, Hardik? You will get editable, 100% editable PowerPoint presentation. And if you don't believe me, just let me make you go through it once it gets ready, when it's ready to download. And trust me, your eyes will pop out once you will see the presentation, which is 100% editable. So it takes like 2-3 minutes ka time to export it into PowerPoint and make it editable. So see this is taking a while. You can keep waiting or close this. We'll email you the link. We'll keep on waiting. Let's see how it goes. Chalo. Let's wait, or it will email us the link as well. We can take it from email as well, or let me try it again. Why not? I will click on 3 dots. It doesn't take that much time. Today something is off with all the AI tools, I feel. Okay. Chalo. What else? It's ready to download. Click on download and you get it here. I will click on save. I will click on open files. I'm opening it live in front of you. I'm clicking on enable editing and just see this. Everything is here. Hardik, can I change the fonts? Can I change the font of entire PPT? The answer is yes. Hardik, can I change everything? The answer is yes. Hardik, can I change the colors of it? The answer is yes. See this. I will just change it to, let's say, for now I'm just going with random colors. Let's say orange. Hardik, can you see this? Here there's a problem. There is a logo of Gamma. I cannot show this, and here there is no name of Hina. So I can simply write here by Hina. See this. Hardik, this is something font not allowed in our company. Can I change it? Let's say Montserrat is available. Yeah, you can see this. Done. But Hardik, what about this? And this is where I urge you all to join my inner circle, because see, this is what we are doing. We have completely automated our PPT. Don't you believe me? See this. So now I cannot teach you the entire process, obviously, but let me show you the hack. You go to Slide Masters and you remove the logo of theirs. Hardik, why? Because you have to replace this with your own. See this. I will just quickly add my own logo for now. Where is the logo? If I have one, I think I have one. See this. Let's say I'm putting a little bit so people from the mobile phones can also watch it. See this. I'll just remove it from here. Just like you have to do this for all the slides, which will take another 1 or 2 minutes, or not even 1 or 2 minutes, right? And close it. See this. Now you tell me one person in your office who can identify this is not created by Hina. No one. I know all your problems are solvable. You can convert your boring PPT into a PPT. You can convert your PDF into a PPT. If you're a Google Doc user, Google Slide user, still you can do it. If you are like Hardik, I just want to use my brand colors, my brand fonts, my brand logo, that's also doable. But the sad part is people are not aware of it. Still 90% of corporate professionals are wasting so much time on presentations, which they can automate, where they can use the same time to take more leadership responsibilities. And guys, here you go. Hardik, what if my company is allowing me to use online portal? Simply go on this and share the URL, present this, see this. I will just present it here as well. See this. Don't you think it's cool? With animation, with transition, zero manual efforts. See this? See this? Dashboard, all this crazy part. I'm presenting a PPT. And I think we are done with the explanation in under 5 minutes or so. This is the power of AI. Can I get crazy in the Zoom chat? Hina, how was the presentation? Do I deserve a promotion or a salary hike? Let me know in the Zoom chat. Unbelievable. Insane, crazy. Guys, how many people agree that Hardik, you are good at mind reading? Did I solve all your problems without you asking for it? Do you agree that I'm a good mind reader as well? Fantabulous. Where do we get the prompt? Naveen bhai, just wait. No worries. We'll give you the prompt and how to find leads for CRM. We'll discuss everything. Guys, I trust me, I'm here going to do some mind-boggling things with you in the AI space. And okay, how many people are curious to know what AI can do? Can someone drop me in the Zoom chat? I'm going to show you what AI can do. I'm just going to show you a glimpse of it. And if you're thinking, Hardik, why should I associate with you? Glimpse of it. Guys, see this. I'm going to show, this is not to boost myself. This is just to change your mindset, just to show you that there is a life of abundance. Guys, see this. a live website of my company, own company, doing a refresh in front of everyone. I'm showing you my company's revenue for last 7 days only, not more than that, not anything. Guys, see this. Last 7 days, refresh in front of you, 35 lakh rupees. Can I get crazy mind blown in the Zoom chat? Hardik, ye kya ho raha hai? What is this world? I'm not aware of this world. See this, a live website. This is my company revenue. How to do this? What are the hacks? What are the secrets? I'm already sharing with people in my inner circle. But the sad part is I want to help more people. I want more people to take leverage of this, because as I've said, just like you have missed internet, you have missed Bitcoin, you have missed real estate, ye bhi miss ho jayega. And I'm just 26 years old. I have so many things to show you. Crazy, truly crazy. We'll discuss. Guys, can we all write P in the Zoom chat? P stands for professionalism. Can you ask your question towards the end? Can we all write P in the Zoom chat? Can we all maintain that professionalism in the house, please? Chalo. Here we go. Now, guys. Oh, what about our software? Let's see where the software journey is begin. So, guys, we have got some error. I think I was not here. So I think it's doing something on its own. Kya ho raha hai? Let's see. 8 steps completed. What is happening with the stock? Failed to initial database. Please try refreshing the page. Let me just try to refresh the page. It's telling me to refresh the page. Let's see. It's still thinking. 8 minutes to gather. It's doing something on its own. Let it do on its own. We'll try it again later. Meanwhile, let's go with the examples that we have yet to discuss. I will come on this platform. Julius AI. Oh my God. Guys, now write data in the Zoom chat. Data in the Zoom chat. Can I get data? People dealing with data. Okay, we have Mahesh Bhai, we have Rakesh, we have Sadhana, Priyanka, बहुत सारे लोग हैं data folks. ठीक है. Now, let me help you people as well. Can you write agree in the Zoom chat? Data is all about converting that unstructured, boring Excel data into actionable insights. Is that a yes or yes in the Zoom chat? Data domain, is that all about? Can I sum up that in one line? It's converting your boring Excel data, unstructured, unclean data into actionable insights for the upper management. Do we all agree? Yes? Chalo. Now, guys, I want a person who is at a top executive level in data domain. Is there anyone like that? Can you drop me your designation? Can anyone is coming from that industry, that domain, that level of experience? Nishikant will do that. So we have finance analysis, Prashant Yadav. Okay, Prashant Yadav is in the Zoom chat. Perfect. Prashant Bhai, I'm going to close the Zoom chat and let's talk to this guy. I'm going to close the Zoom chat. See this. Now, all of us visualize. Prashant, you have to keep your hands raised because I might tell you to unmute yourself. Okay, Prashant Yadav. Let's say Prashant is my manager. Okay. Prashant has sent me this boring Excel file, which is not even like properly sorted out, properly designed, or like you can see, it's a boring Excel file that we all see in our office, right? Now, the problem here is I have to convert this into actionable insights, visuals, which I can put it on PPT, which I can present it to the upper manager, or which I can send it to my boss, Prashant, right? Hardik, the simplest way to do that is pivot tables, right? We create it, we do analysis and whatnot. Guys, what if I told you, let me invite someone on this call. Let me make you meet someone who is a world's first AI data robot data analyst. Hardik, what are you even saying? Let me log in into this. It's again free of cost. It's a freemium thing. I'm going to use my own Gmail ID to log in into this. Absolutely free without attaching debit card, credit card. The same thing you can do. But Hardik, why this tool? Why not ChatGPT? Why not Claude AI? Or why not any other tool out there? Because guys, let me tell you what all companies are already have hired this AI data analyst. If you are not aware of it, let me just show you the companies which are already using it. See this. Zapier, NVIDIA, one of the top global company on this planet Earth with trillions of dollars in market cap. Don't you think they are worried of data security, data privacy? They are also, right? Obviously, see this NVIDIA. Guess These are the top companies which are already using this AI robot. But Hardik, why? Let me show you. See this. I'm going to put that tool here. I'll put that Excel file for data analysis, employee data. I'm going to put it here. Okay. Once you put it here, you simply have to write here, analyze the above data set and provide provide me key insights. Let's say three visual key insights, because we want to make PPT as well, right? 3 visual key insights. Okay. And now guys, again, the power of Python. I'm not sure if this person, let's say Prashant, or we have Neelam as well, assistant vice president strategy. I don't know if these people know how to use Python, but let me tell you, I also don't know how to use Python. And here I am in front of you using Python, writing complex codes with the help of this magical hands, and doing the data analysis work and creating visuals in front of you, which is just a 1 second job for me. I can copy it here. I can paste it in PPTs like this. See this. Let's say I will paste it here. Done. Or let's say, again, I'm not focusing on designing right now. That's something you can do it later. See this. Let's say I will just remove all of this. I want to put PPTs here. See this. And we have one more visual. Copy. And let's say I will paste it here. If you have AI in your PowerPoint, 1 second, and see this. Like I can remove it from here. I can paste this here. And I can click on one button, and in just under a minute, your boring Excel data has come to your presentation in front of you under a minute. How many people are like, Hardik, my mouth is wide open right now. What the hell are you doing? Oh, hello. Guys, is there anyone like that? I think my mouth is just open. I hope you don't come to my office. Is there someone like that? Mouth is wide open, buddy. I'm speechless now. But now. How many people agree that, guys, whatever we do in our job, ultimate goal is to impress your boss in order to get salary hike and promotion? Do we all agree, right? Let's be honest with each other, right? Your end goal is to achieve that salary hike and promotion. For that only you're doing that hard work, right? You're doing late sittings, you're going on weekends and whatnot. The ultimate goal is that only, right? What if I told you you can reach your ultimate goal 10x faster? Hardik, how? Now see this. I'm going to close the chat box. I want you to focus on my screen, okay? See this. Now again, I want to impress my boss, right? In our case, who was that? I forgot. Prashant, right? Prashant Yadav. What I will do is I will come to this AI tool, which is the #1 AI data analyst in the entire world. And I will write here, create a dynamic, interactive illustration, create a dynamic interactive 3D. Let's make 3D because we want to impress our bosses, right? Create a 3D dynamic interactive illustrations from the above data, and give me HTML download link for the same. Guys, now we are going to do something which is unbelievable. And meanwhile, I will just check on my progress. So we have something growing here. Okay, I think so there is some error with the database. Let me just copy the prompt and make it again. Okay, since we have enough time. No error. Okay. Chalo, let's do this. It's creating a plan. Meanwhile, I will come to this part. Where is our Julius? Here it is. Guys, be ready. Prashant, I hope you have raised your hand because I'm going to take your live reaction on this call. Okay, Prashant Yadav. Imagine if I'm your employee, Prashant, who is a senior executive, if I make something, I send you a mail where you find this attachment, which is a HTML file, which can work in your iPad, laptop, desktop, MacBook, anything. You download it in your laptop and you click on it and you open it like this. What will be your reaction, Prashant? And everyone, Hina, all these people, top executives, what is your reaction if a employee like me do this to you? See this. Now let's say Prashant will call me, Hardik, what the hell you have made this? How do I navigate? I will be like, boss, just hover on it. And let's say Prashant will ask me, Hardik, how do I just see engineering ka data or sales ka data? I will be like, boss, disable all other departments. It's interactive. I have made an interactive thing for you, just like a Microsoftware. He will be like, oh my God. So if I hover on this department of sale, age 52, salary this, bonus this, name ye hai, job title ye, city ye. And I know what you guys might be feeling right now. So let me just unmute Prashant and let's see what he's thinking right now. Prashant, do I deserve a salary hike and a promotion? Unmute yourself and let me know.
Yeah, Hardik, it is an amazing presentation I have seen my whole life career. I have 15 year experience, and first time I'm watching this type presentation. Wow, it's amazing.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Appreciate.
And I'm not thinking you can make this type presentation.
I can, like, you can make all sort of things. I will show you. You can
You are
integrate
master
such
blaster.
thing.
You are master blaster.
Thank you, sir. I will show you. Wait. Thank you. Guys, I'm opening the Zoom chat. What is your reaction? How many people are feeling just like Prashant? Can I get me in the Zoom chat? The chat is open now. Me? Speechless. Jyoti is speechless now. Amazed. Awesome. Really awesome. Unbelievable. Incredible. Not able to believe my eyes. Sir, आप हमारी job ले लेंगे? No. I will misconcept. I will clarify that communication as well. ठीक है? Cannot digest. Yatin Gandhi. ठीक है? No worries. Why to impress boss when you can become your own boss? Why not? Why not? Now. I was coming to that only. Chalo, let me see if what is the progress with our software. Okay, it's still in building. Now. Coming to the next side of the world, corporate world. The data folks, how many people are Power BI user here? Is there a Power BI user or want to learn Power BI or dashboard creation? Anyone drop a me in the Zoom chat like that? Huh? I love Power BI. Majubdar. Agnik Majubdar. Do you know there is a AI in PowerPoint? If you love Power BI. Power BI. I'm just a school going student. Yes, perfect. Copilot. Yeah. Do you know about that? Yes, Power BI. Perfect. Yes, of course, I'm learning. Now, guys, see this. I'm going to show you a story. I'm going to close the chat box. I'm going to show you a thing. Do not write anything in the chat, okay? This is a live case study from my inner circle community, okay? She has secured a 40% salary hike during her performance review, okay? In this year only. Kya hua, Hardik? So see this. I will just show you. By the way, anyone who wants to learn dashboard creation, and if you think you are the right guy, Hardik, I can teach you this dashboard under 4 hours. You will make it live with me. So that level of confidence I have within myself, because I have trained lakhs and lakhs people out there. Now just see it. So I will, for secret reasons, for privacy reasons, I will avoid telling you the right name. Right now, let's visualize that this guy is there. Majubdar. Okay, Agnik. So Sir Agnik is sitting in front of everyone in the corporate room, in the corporate meeting, the conference meeting. The MD is there, CEO has sub, everyone is there in that Zoom room. Zoom room, conference room. And as you can see, there is a basic observation here where there is a loss in the month of May. And guys, as we all are human beings, we often do easy mistakes. Kabhi kabhi ho jata, right? And the same happened with Mr. Agnik. Let's say I was the CFO of the company. I asked Mr. Agnik that, hey, why there is a loss in the month of May? What is the reason? And I hope everyone have realized this once in their life, had this moment once in their life where they got complete blackout. Is that a me in the Zoom chat? How many people agree? You got nervous, complete blackout. You're like, Hardik, sir, I will get back to you, right? Is that a me? Tell me honestly. If you're a corporate professional, once in your lifetime you have been in such situation where you are completely blackout, You're getting that sweat on your forehead. You're getting that nervousness, and you're like, what should I do? What should I tell? Everyone is watching me. And you know what Mr. Agnik did? He was like, sir, just a sec. He picked that remote, the remote in the conference TV wala remote. He hover on the screen, he right clicked on it, and he was like, analyze, explain the decrease. And everyone in the offices, CFO is asking Agnik to explain the decrease, and Agnik is asking to whom? Here you go. Copilot, absolutely free of cost. And here is every single reason, every single exact with numbers, with charts, reason why there was a drop in sales. And just to be precise, there was a drop in sales because there was a decrease in payment methods in EMI, COD, and credit card. And there was a decrease in sales in categories of electronic and furniture. And to be precise, there was a decline in phone wala sales, electronic printers under electronics category, and under furniture category, there was a decline in sale in bookcases and tables. Exact answer. This is how the upper management take informed data driven decisions. Do we all agree that if some of you, any one of you do something like this in front of your boss, you deserve a salary hike and promotion? Do we all agree? How many people you as yourself individual are impressed by this? Totally impressive. Crazy impressed. Crazy. How is it? Hardik, how to make PPT in PowerPoint? Ashok, you can integrate your dashboard in PowerPoint. I will show you that as well. No worries. Oh my God. Brilliant. Agnik, were you aware of this? How was it? Impressive. Teach again. We'll do that, Naveen, towards the end. Perfect. Crazy, crazy. The chat is going bonkers. How to get it for pharma reports? You can do it for anything. I will come to that as well. Chill and relax. How to make dashboards, Minakshi, I will teach you. No worries. We used to spend lakhs in getting such information by using business intelligence tools and technical persons. Guys, see, this is the power of AI. Rachna ji will help you. No worries. Very good. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Now, guys, I will again come to that. What's the time? It's 8:16 right now, and we are almost halfway into the webinar. And let me show you if the tool, if the expense tracker, our loader expense tracker is done or not. It's deploying. It has done so much of research in the backend and so much of data gathering and whatnot, and so much of coding just to get that expense tracker with us. And guys, I've created n number of micro softwares for me, which I'm going to share it with you people. I'm going to show you as well. So it's still loading. Let's give some time to load that expense tracker or do some hard refresh. What's the case? Let's just see. I think it's completely ready to go. Chalo, let's see. Generated app. It's loading the expenses. You're loading expense tracker, and see this, guys. Amazing. And if you're thinking, Hardik, what all things you have created? I've created things which you cannot even believe. See this, guys. I've created a sentiment analysis of a stock, how a stock would perform. See this. Let's say I want to understand how Microsoft is going to perform. I'm going to select Microsoft. I get everything in a data format. This level of things I've already built. See this. I've created one application name. I think I did it for one of my mentees, Vidhi. See the same expense tracker. Oh wow, you guys are lucky. See this. I made it for one of my community member, Vidhi. See this, Hardik. Can you show it in a big screen? See this. I will show you in a big screen. See this. Can you see this? Hardik, can I add? How do I add my entry? See this. Let's say I will get some date here. Let's say I will write here 15,000. The category was, let's say we did some food and dining. We all people party, done some 15,000 ka food. It was paid via UPI. And you just have to click on save expense. See this. Guys, can I get surrender in the Zoom chat? How many people now surrender? Hardik, I surrender to your mentorship. I want to learn everything about AI from you. How many people are like that? Do you surrender right now? This is ultimate, Hardik. People are making their own applications, micro applications. Crazy. Here we go. Ultimatum. I want boom. Now, guys, we'll take a pause. We'll take a pause. I'm going to close the chat box. I'm going to close the chat box. Guys, see this. Till this point, we have come in a long journey. We have done so much of things. Still, there is so many things to go. See this. There's so many things to go. But now, guys, I want to show you some things which are outside of this world. I want to come to the part where we do some AI agents. AI agents, okay? I'm pretty much sure many people are not aware of it. Okay? So now you can build your own AI agents. That's something I'm going to help you with. AI agents for personal finance. So let's take an example. Big disclaimer. We are just seeing a different use case. Okay. I'm not telling you that go and invest your money on the basis of AI. Okay. Just seeing it from a pure educational lens. I won't reveal the names. Is there anyone who have invested your hard-earned money in stocks directly? Is there anyone? I won't take your names. Don't worry. Your privacy is maintained. I just want to see your names. Myself. Okay. Yes. Yes. Many people. Yes. I have invested. Do you think you have made a right decision? Yes or no? Or no idea? You have just done it because your friend tell you to do it. Your father, your best friend, your colleague, whatever the case is. Yes. No. I've invested in mutual funds. No worries, buddy. Yes, you are right. Yes. Now, guys, in front of you, completely live today, I'm going to show you my AI analyst, which you will get it, which can do your portfolio review. Can I get some names of the stocks that you hold? I will do a live in 2 minutes. I know you're super busy. I know you don't have that kind of a time, but I'm just going to do this in front of you. See this custom AI agents. Okay. I've got some names. We have Infosys, Tata Motors, we have HDFC Bank, we have Nippon, IEX. Crazy. Just let me put some 5 names. So we have Tata Motors, we have Sulzon, we have HDFC Bank. You can put n number of details. No worries. Then we have IRFC. We have Adani. Many suggestions. I'm still getting it, but right now I'm just closing on 5. So we have Tata Motors, Sulzon, HDFC Bank, IRFC. Again, a very big disclaimer. Do not take it as a financial advice. I'm not a SEBI registered person, but see this. Portfolio sentiment summary. What is the sentiment of that stock? Good, bad overview, rating of the stock, Tata Motors report. Hardik, where this all data coming from? You will get all the details towards the end. See this. Analyst outlook. What are the news of past month? What is the weekly review of summary? And these are the source of all the information today, tomorrow, yesterday. You can cross verify the same as well. Can I get a mind boggling in the Zoom chat? Can I get MB in the Zoom chat? Which version of ChatGPT you have used? I've used the latest one. MB in the Zoom chat. This is power of AI in every segment of your life, every part of your life. And not just that, guys. What if I told you? How many people are like me? Let's say I will just open this up. Just a sec. See this. I will just refresh this up. How many people are like this? That Hardik, when I look at this complicated charts, I'm like, kya hai ye? What is this? I don't get it. I don't understand what to do when people are just sitting for hours and hours and looking at charts and making some support and resistance and whatnot. Do we all agree? Yes. I will just copy it. People asking questions in the Zoom chat. I'm ignoring you. Please wait for the Q&A session. Okay. See this. I'm going to take a snapshot. I will come on a different agent, which is a technical analyst. I will just paste it here and I will click on enter. Just sit back, chill, relax, and see this. What is overview? What are the key observation? What are the resistance? What are the support? What are the candlestick patterns? What are the actionable insights? Ye, wo, everything is here. See this. Is your mind blowing away or blasting away? Guys, chalo, I had a LinkedIn profile. I think I have a LinkedIn profile of Rutuja, right? Can we all say yes? Can we all say yes? Can you see your LinkedIn profile? Yes. Rutuja, are you there on this call? Is that a yes from Rutuja as well? Can we get yes? Yes. See this. I have a custom agent. which can act as your career catalyst. You just have to upload your LinkedIn ka data. See this, I'm going to download her profile in a PDF format. See this, I'm going to save it somewhere here. I will come to this agent and I just have to drag her profile. See this, drag her profile, and I just have to write it here. Okay, just a sec. I'll add the profile, just a sec. And here you go. See this, just added the profile. Thanks for uploading profile. Before, see this, what is our headline? If we do apple to apple comparison, social media consultant, UGC creator, creative director. One AI agent is telling you can write social media strategist, UGC creator, visual content director, whatever explanation is here. Summary पहले क्या था? What is recommended? What is your experience entry? What is recommended? What is a skill section? What is the recommended? Certification, education, visual element, SEO and keyword sub. Can I get OMG in the Zoom chat? The next big thing on this planet Earth is custom AI agents. And trust me, if you are not learning it, you are far, far, far behind compared to others. Yeah, why not? Rutuja liked it and she's like, I'm going to use this. So yeah, why not? Can you share the PPT? Satish, if you're continuously going to spam it in the Zoom chat, please maintain the professionalism. Okay. Super. And now guys, before we take the session ahead, we have more AI tools to cover. We have 2-3 AI tools still left. I want to take a pause here and I want to ask this question to everyone. Guys, am I that person in your life who have made you realize the true potential of AI powered MS Office and artificial intelligence? Is that a yes in the Zoom chat? Can I get a yes? Am I that person in your life who have made you realize ki it's the altogether a different world out there? Absolutely yes. Sid, Shraveti. Not just that, guys. If you are not aware of custom tools, I have made one custom tool in my own Excel. And now just see this. I'm going to show you the power of that. Guys, see this. See this. Can anyone tell me how much time does it take for you to create dashboard in Excel? Any field. Can you drop me a timestamp in the Zoom chat? Kitna time lagta hai to create a dashboard in Excel? How much time it's taking for you? 3-4 hours, 4 hours, 30 minutes? Zafar, are you sure? 2 minutes? 2 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, 1 day, right? 30 minutes? 1 hour, 3 hours, 2-3 hours, right? Guys, see this. I've created my own tool in Excel, which is worth 26,000 rupees. In any template category you select, let's say I want to create a HR dashboard. One click, HR dashboard is ready in front of you. Guys, can I get wow in the Zoom chat? Everyone, can I get wow? You might take 2 hours. I just take 1 second. Hardik, let's say this guy is a project manager, right? He's like, Hardik, I have to create RAIC metrics, or I have to create Gantt chart very often. No problem, buddy. 1 click and it's ready. And I know finance people would be like, Hardik, I have to do data analysis, fishbone diagram banana hai. 1 click, it's ready. Hardik, but is it all editable? Yeah, sure. See this. I'm going to write here Prashant, and I'm going to write here, let's say, Hina. And see this, guys. Every name is coming here. 100% editable. You can change the color as well. You can share it with your employees out there. How to make such tools? You have to join my community, buddy, in order to learn. But guys, can I get 26 in the Zoom chat? Because today you have an opportunity to get this 26,000 worth of tool for free. How many people think this sounds too good to be true, or it sounds unbelievable? 26,000 rupees you can save today in hard cash by getting this tool for absolutely free for lifetime by Hardik Raja. From Hardik Raja. Unbelievable. Super thank you. Unbelievable, Hardik. And now, guys, saying with respect to that, how many people also agree on the second question that Hardik, I understand. AI can easily take most of my work, and how I can be soon out of the job if I don't master it. Have you got it? Can I get yes, please, please, please? It's a very humble request. If you're 30, 40, 50, 60, it doesn't matter. AI is for everyone, buddy. Every single person out there. Yes. Now I'm going to ask one more question. How many people have children in their home? Drop me in the Zoom chat. How many people have children in their house? Young ones, 10-year-old, 15-year-old, just getting started, going to school, college. How many people are people like this in their house? I have 4 kids, 2, yes, me, 2 year, 8 years. Yes, most of them, yes, 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 most of them have this. Please write done in the Zoom chat. You can tell your children to explore a career which is prompt engineer. No traditional careers, doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant, no, altogether a different field is coming out there. People are becoming AI journalists, AI engineers, prompt engineers. Hardik, ये सब क्या है? I will show you their packages and you will be like, Hardik, I will make my child prompt engineer only. And last but not the least, this question is to you, for you. How many people have understood their worth, that it is very important for you in order to grow in your career, to master all these modern age skills and softwares? And guys, can I get lucky in the Zoom chat? Can I get lucky in the Zoom chat? Hardik, why we are lucky? Because guys, you are living in an era where Perpetuity Pro is free for you. ChatGPT Pro is free for you. Google Gemini is free for you. There are tools out there which are free for us. So many tools. Don't you think we all are lucky? Can we at least realize that we are all lucky? It's just that आपको पता नहीं था. Just like this, people are there. Abhishek is there. Maharshi is there. Pratik is there. Ved is there. Nirali is there. Ashok is there. It's like you don't understand. And that's the reason you're not feeling lucky. But we all are super duper lucky. Let me remind you that. And now, guys, I want to reveal my final secret. How many people want my final secret? A roadmap. Hardik, what is the roadmap all about? Let me show you the results of the roadmap, which has helped 400 people at any age, any department, any category to get salary hike and promotion. Or the last batch which we did last month, 35 people, senior citizens included, got insane results. See this. There are bankers, there are chartered accountants, there are lawyers, there are doctors, there are top executives. Everyone got, and there are CEO and CFO as well, by the way. And not just that, guys. Our last to last class, there are people who are CFO, HR journalist, IT industry people have also got insane salary and promotion, and everyone has submitted their videos. You can check it out.